The Kicker DS series speakers are marketed as reliable, budget-friendly replacements for factory sound systems. With wide vehicle compatibility, clean styling, and the backing of a well-known brand, they've become a popular option for first-time upgrades. But once installed, many users quickly realize the DS series might not deliver the performance they expected. Here are 5 reasons why. First, the bass response is weak. Despite Kicker's reputation for hard-hitting sound, the DS series lacks real mid-bass punch. The woofers struggle to produce depth or fullness, leaving your music sounding thin and unbalanced, especially if you're not running a dedicated subwoofer. This issue is more noticeable in factory door panels without sound-deadening material or proper sealing. Second, they don't handle power well. Rated at modest RMS levels, the DS series speakers are sensitive to clipping and distortion if pushed too hard. Even when powered within their range, they begin to break up at higher volume levels. For those hoping to pair them with an aftermarket amplifier, these speakers may not keep up with the rest of your system. Third, the highs can be harsh. The PI dome tweeters in the DS series tend to sound overly bright, particularly in vehicles with reflective interiors. Without a DSP or proper EQ settings, treble-heavy music can become fatiguing. This harshness is amplified at louder volumes, making long listening sessions uncomfortable for some users. Fourth, the sound lacks detail and depth. The DS series is designed for basic improvement over factory sound, but it doesn't offer much refinement. The overall sound is flat, with little clarity or separation between instruments. Vocals don't stand out, and the soundstage feels compressed. In short, it's a minimal upgrade that may still leave critical listeners unsatisfied. Fifth, build quality is basic. While the Kicker brand carries weight, the materials used in the DS series, from the thin woofer cones to the plastic tweeter housings, reflect the entry-level price point. Over time, especially in harsh environments or with regular use, users report buzzing, cracking, or early component wear. In conclusion, the Kicker DS series may work as a mild factory upgrade, but it falls short in bass, clarity, and long-term reliability. For buyers expecting a real performance boost from a trusted brand, this series may leave you underwhelmed unless paired with system tuning and support.